Hello VidIQtopians! Welcome back to our channel where we decode the secrets of engaging your audience. This is Nursu, and today we're cutting through the noise and looking at how AI can revolutionize the way we understand our viewers. So why is it that audience feedback is so vital for creators? It's really simple. Well, to start off, it shapes our content and tells us what's working and what's not so much. So if you're curious about learning more on how to analyze your audience's reactions using AI, keep watching. Every content creator knows that audience feedback is key, but gauging reactions and retention goes beyond likes and comments. Traditionally, tapping into audience sentiment has been guesswork. And here's the breakthrough. It doesn't have to be. With the rise of AI, we can now get deeper, data-driven insights into what makes your audience stick around or bounce. AI technologies offer powerful ways to dissect viewer engagement. Just imagine if you could pinpoint exactly where your viewers were most interested or when they tuned out. Alright guys, I want to start off with a tool that I think everyone is familiar with. Yes, of course, it's ChatGPT. To leverage ChatGPT for audience reaction analysis, you can extract relevant text data from social media platforms, forums, or other sources. Feed this data into ChatGPT, prompting it to analyze the sentiment, identify key themes, and extract insights. By refining your prompts and observing responses, you can gain a nuanced understanding of audience sentiments, preferences, and concerns. Let's take a look together. I'm going to type in, analyze the sentiment of the following viewer comments. And then I'm just copy-pasting viewer comments, hitting enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT returns an analysis of the comments showing positive, negative, and neutral sentiments. Moving on to Clarifai's Natural Language Processing API. Clarifai's NLP API analyzes audience reactions and feedback by employing machine learning to perform sentiment analysis, emotion detection, and entity recognition on textual content. The API categorizes sentiment as positive, negative, or neutral, identifies emotions expressed, recognizes entities such as people or locations, and offers customizable models for industry-specific insights. With multilingual support and real-time processing, Clarifai's NLP API is versatile for applications like social media monitoring, customer feedback analysis, and content moderation. Software like TubeBuddy and VidIQ also goes further. They can suggest topics based on trending patterns and help optimize your video to match what your audience really likes. They are popular browser extensions designed to enhance the YouTube experience for content creators. And they provide various features, including audience analysis tools. These tools are powerful allies to boost your engagement, diagnosing faltering retention, and underpinning your strategy with solid evidence, not just gut feelings. Wow, didn't we actually cover a lot of AI tools for you to pick for yourself? All the tools we covered today are like having your personal audience analytics guru. So even if you don't get the chance to try out all the tools that I've talked about, I definitely suggest that you try analyzing your audience feedback on ChatGPT. And of course, let me know how it went. So creators, if you're not using AI today, you're probably missing out on an amazing chance to boost your channel or content. So I say embrace AI and make content that resonates, captivates, and retains. Please don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and share with your friends for more insights on content like this. And of course, I'm really interested in reading your comments down below about how AI changed your life for the better. Until next time.